message. Oh no.
What?
So my dad is going to like fix the
Tire, flat tire.
So we're going to remove the tire to the new. Can I show them the
And
new
change it
tire?
with it. No. Ayan. Sobrang higpit. Sobrang higpit. Hindi ko ma-loosen up. I have all the tools na kailangan. Nalagay ko na rin to. Andito rin yung spare tire. Para ang problem, hindi ko ma-loosen up. Very tight ito. So, nagpatulong na ako. Tinext ko yung katrabaho ko sa school. Nasa football practice daw. Then, pupuntahan niya ako. Give me 5 minutes, sabi naman niya. Sobrang bait. So ayun, tinatry kong gawin pero hindi ko ma-loosen up. Sobrang higpit na mga screws niya. I'll update you later.